boy. They might tell you know if not the examiner, me tell him say yo. Get up prison.
Yo, Jamaican, easy. You know what you say yourself, my boss?
TSR by rat price, brother.
TSR by what?
Rat price.
Jesus. Yo, come here. You have to name one first. If you taste your answer and I see you near me, I name 10 one time.
I don't like your one here. You understand? Me prefer
No, you say you don't like it.
Me prefer puss one. Puss one tastes better.
Alright, my
If
boss.
I so then tell me.
Alright, my boss. Big up
Big up
yourself, man.
yourself.
I
Yes,
love,
man.
man. We're going to support the thing.
You didn't buy something for me one time.
Yeah, man.
So that's why you see me.
That's why you come back.
Yeah.
You're going to make them support the thing, man. Support the thing.
Kai sweet me.
Yeah,
You
you mean?
understand?
Alright, my father. You're the right man. Right now you're gone on internet, you know, global, you know.
Oh, God, Almisha,
Yeah,
when you miss one man dash me on seeing God way. You understand? Dash me on power. Where sitting
social media, TikTok.
TikTok, you understand?
Yeah. What you mean, man? And you're extreme plaza, you know, so you're on TikTok live, you know.
Oh, God, Almisha.
And you're going to make you sell out the whole area price.
So we can get some parts for you, though.
Yes, man.
We fit that there.
Everything with the offer foot, yeah, man. Carola parts, everything.
When time I come here, so you're over there.
Everything with parts, yeah, so. Parts, yeah, so. You come here, so, and you had the rat poison, and we had the parts for the car.
But I tell you something, you see. The last time you come here, you know, you have fling bucket in a brother.
Yes.
I mean, love, see that you walk.
Oh, God, man. Oh, God, man. Big up yourself. You remember good, man.
Hey,
you remember good, man.
Nobody know if you are nothing against you.
Real
because
talk.
You walk for
Real
your
talk.
thing.
Real talk, my
Big up
father.
yourself.
Heart of love. Yes, sir?
True.
That is it, man.
True. So me I can't person come
Yeah, man.
Hey, that earbud I put in nice. Watch out. Jackie, why you putting earbuds, so Jackie? I say earbud, you know, Jackie.
What?
Why you putting earbuds, so?
That's what me want it, my ear.
So you got ear?
In. Me a ear. So it go
You
in.
put it wrong.
Or it go in.
Put the white part in your ears.
This yes, sir?
Yes.
I also go in?
Yes.
I mean, I say. But you know you used to suck that. Oh, me a ear no. Oh, thank you.
You went.
Goat one, brother. Give me goat style. Jippy, one more time. Next time again, Tom. One more time.
Yo, Leo, how you smell so? How I go on?
You see them there work. My boss send me out for go buy 2 pound of flour. But me not see not 2 pound of flour, me only see them now 1 pound bag. So me no bother buy him. I go back, I tell him, and he cuss me and say, yo, 1 + 1 = 2.
Yeah, that's
So,
true.
yes, and he said me for use me head, so me say, so bam now, today now. And he send me out to go buy one size 6 shoes, you know.
Size 6.
Yeah. I mean, I see no size 6, me only see size 3. So buy 2 size 3s, you know, 3 + 3 = 6.
Yeah, that's 6.
Yeah. Then me do the calculation.
So yeah, there so now.
And give me a day off.
Oh, you know that?
As he said me for go on home.
Yeah, day off. Love it, you.
When you say you put them now. In the water,
Boy, you got you ain't said. You want to walk?
Jamaicans are the greatest.
Well, I bought a round one first and it wasn't working, so I said, you know what, light switch and it just on and off.
You see, when you see me, I talk to myself, love me. I know mad me, I'm mad. I am not madding. Me rather talk to myself. Me rather tell myself my secrets them. Because myself nah go use my problems then tell me. Myself nah go fight against my goals them. And myself nah go bad mind me for my achievements. I am yet to see a man sell out himself. So when me I talk to myself, love me. Love me. Something to tell you, you know. You see me, I don't know the laughing gas once again. You see me, but I don't know a detox bars product. You see me, I say. You see me? Yeah, we have the cleanser and we have the builder. You see me, I deal with so. We have the cleanser, which is the detox, and we have the builder, which is the iron. Because you know, say iron are the highest mineral. You see me, I say.
Aye.
You understand? Yeah, but I want to tell you about the next one when create what they call the wine.
The elderberry wine.
Yeah, you see me, I deal with. So you see that wine there? We did for advertise it from one day, but me not go taste it and drink coffee. And you see me, I say, yeah. So you don't know, we just want the people them to see what go on when they come to the detox. You see me, I say?
Cleanse the body.
Iron. You see me, I do, because you don't know if you cleanse and build. You see me?
Yeah, man.
Especially at the time when you eat some of the bad food.
Acided.
Yes, so we have to drink up the detox, the
Cleanse out the
and the iron to build it back. You see me, I say?
Bless
hey,
you.
no boy can't jape Rasta. If you try that, you can't escape Rasta. Them fi know man no fake Rasta. From me born till now we straight Rasta. Ital's true, not a fake Rasta. From we see how them a go on, them a real actor. How could we them a try capture? From them try to run up them face a go fracture. Alright, hold a kick, hold a box. Ha ha. Detox, kill them with this. Man, for real, cause when me look back on where I say, me see a real thing attack, you know.
Brother, look here. You can go do your maths for yourself.
Yeah.
You understand? You can do your research.
Yeah.
3 type of people in the world. No matter how hard they try, they can't make it.
For real.
You understand? I'm going to name them out. You understand? Number 1.
Yeah.
A person will not like to hear truth. When you tell it the truth, he vex and walk away.
Yeah.
That the man can keep on walking because him can't make it.
Yeah.
Number 2, one selfish person. They want everything for themselves. That the person there can't make it, because even good book I tell you say, who want all shall surely lose all.
And then man they hardly get help, you know, in your all for yourself.
Yes. Number 3 now, one person when you learn from their mistake.
Yeah.
You understand? You can't book it over there so. I can book to it, and you not learn from it.
True,
so tell me now, if you can't learn from your mistake, who mistake you can learn from? That is what they can't make it either.
Well.
So you can't do maths yourself and check it.
Alright, so when one's beaten.
One's beaten and then can't twice shy.
Oh, very well.
No problem, man.
Yeah, man. A serious problem, though.
Yeah.
Boss, what go on?
This is Christmas.
Yeah.
It come once a year.
True.
And every day people eat.
True.
I want beer and everything. Normal as usual. So don't make one day mad you. You see that suit I me have on, if me not find no clothes to wear Christmas, I think I eat there wear, you know.
True.
You say if a man don't like it, then buy me one. I see him say it go.
True.
And I tell him, I don't got a coat to trust them sit now when January come, then come back with Chuck come over here.
Me top. Me fed up now. I used to put people feelings first. But me realize, say everybody I put for them feelings first. And me I put for them feelings first. So nobody now think about me. So me top. Right now, my feelings are God front of the line. Everything else I go around this. So.